Hi guys, welcome to this video about the ONIKUMA gaming mouse. This is an update. I've already done another video about this very beautiful, gorgeous gaming mouse. It's one of the best, one of the most beautiful gaming mice I've ever seen, but it has some disadvantages, and I tried to solve these last couple of days, and I think I found a solution. So one problem was that you have to lift it up a little bit, that the cursor doesn't move. So when you do repositioning, you see when I lift it up, cursor is still moving a little bit. And the other problem was actually, I hope I can show it to you on this side, on the right side, where I had a problem with my finger, with the joint here, especially at this location. It always hit this quite sharp edge. So I was just holding this mouse same way I was holding all my other mice till now, and I've tried to find the solution for that. I've been talking to the seller what he can do, and so the thing is, there is no firmware update to do anything. Also the lights are beautiful, but you can't change, or you can't mix the color and DPI. It is as it is, so same color will always be same DPI, but you don't have to worry about that. As long as you're willing to change the settings in the Windows mouse setting, you can then set another speed. The DPI, of course, it changes the speed how your mouse is reacting, but you can change that in the system settings. So if you want to use a specific color, then don't worry about this. Of course it will change DPI settings, but usually it does not affect you too much, as long as you're not a pro gamer. So the thing is, actually the really important thing, what I found, is that I should not touch or not hold the mouse like this, but more like this. So I've tried to change my behavior to more like this, and this does actually really good work. So I have my thumb still here, which is really comfortable, and on the right side, I hope I can show this to you, my joint here, this sensitive part here, that fits absolutely perfect into this onto this nice flat area, and doesn't touch the edges here, so it doesn't hurt anymore. I just have to hold it a little bit different, and it's actually really awesome. And also this helps me to lift it up easier when I have a really good grip here, and as well here on these bottom these designed things here on this side, and as well on the other side. So I can really grab it easily like this and lift it up, and so there's not so much of a problem anymore with reposition, that I have to lift a little bit higher to reposition that. So I have still need a little bit time to fully get used to that. It's only 1 or 2 days ago when I've started this, but now I found I can really easily do that, and so it really works good for me. I like the fact that I can switch between the wired mode with the micro USB cable and wireless, and it charges while I'm connected. Usually I leave it overnight connected, and so it can charge and then I have charge for at least 30 days. But if I'm not using it 24 hours, the charge will be good for about 3 months or so. So I don't have to worry and don't have to charge it every day. So you see, again, really beautiful. This is, I think, the most beautiful mouse I've ever seen. And so there's really a way to make this work, that you can use that in a really comfortable and good way. So even when there's no software, I have to say, when you're not a pro gamer, you actually don't need these different DPI settings, and you can just use it to change between all these beautiful colors. That's a really awesome thing. And as already said, you can go to the mouse setting. If you don't know how to do, press go to Windows, right mouse, and then you have this speed selector, which you can use to adjust all the colors to the speed, exact speed what you actually need to work efficiently. So sorry about that. I mean, now I'm using it the whole day, and I haven't switched back to the old mouse. I really love this, and I think I will keep going with this mouse at least for a while. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you this update. I will definitely keep this mouse. I'm not planning to return it now. I will use it as my main mouse. Definitely, I really like the features, the color, design, everything. So, and I'll put down the link in the description. So if you also want to buy this, you can buy it directly from Amazon using my link. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.